Hi, welcome to Spartan Blade Unboxing channel. Today the item to inbox has been purchased and shipped from AliExpress China. Package is made of plastic bag properly sealed. Package contain one universal magnetic ring, a 1/4 inch full metal screwdriver bit. Build quality and finishing is really good. Magnetosphere locking screw, tight bite, reduces unnecessary slip by 85%. Magnetic power of ring is also good. It fits without any issue on drill bit. Magnetic ring fits firmly on all kind of 6.35 mm Shank screwdriver bits. Screw is attached firmly on drill bit and is not falling off. Thank you for watching. Please support by subscribing to my channel and like on my video. I hope the video is helpful and see you around.